Baking soda mixed with powdered sugar can begin to kill some ants within minutes, but expect colony effects to take several days. Mix equal parts baking soda and powdered sugar and lay it near trails where you see ants. The powdered sugar attracts workers, and the baking soda reacts with their digestive acids once ingested, which can rupture internal tissues. Use a shallow container or spread a thin line so ants can feed easily without spilling the bait. Place baits out of reach of pets and children and in dry locations, because moisture will dissolve the mixture and reduce effectiveness. Check bait stations every 24 hours and refresh them if they are wet or consumed, and keep using baits for at least 7 to 10 days to intercept multiple foraging cycles and returning nestmates. For heavy infestations, combine this baiting with non-chemical barrier tactics like sealing entry points with caulk and removing food residues to reduce competing food sources. Common mistakes are expecting immediate colony collapse and stopping after one application, which leaves the queen and brood intact, so continue baiting for at least a week, placing baits on wet surfaces, which dissolves the bait and prevents ingestion, so move baits to dry areas or use small sealed containers with holes punched for access, and relying solely on baking soda for large or well-established infestations, which may require professional assessment, so pair baiting with sanitation and exclusion, or consult a pest control professional if activity persists. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare services so we can move from a do-it-yourself attempt to a hired solution if needed. We also help contractors find work and grow their client base, and we host a discussion community where we share experiences, ask questions, and exchange tips about projects and remedies like ant control.